Hello everyone. In today's video, we are covering some important multiple choice questions from the fundamental of nursing. Whether you are preparing for your exams or brushing off your knowledge, these questions will be helpful. Let's start the question. That is question number 96. That is drugs which increase the actions of sweat glands. Option A, diphoretics. B, diuretics. C, digestants. D, Aqualis. The correct answer is that is option A, drug which increase the action of the sweat gland, that is diphoretics. Diphoretics is the substance that promote sweating by stimulating the sweat glands. These are obtained to use to reduce fever or detoxify the body through precipitations. That's why A is correct answer. Next question. Width of bandage for leg bandaging should be A, 2.5 to 3 centimeter, B 5 to 6 centimeter, C 8 to 9 centimeter, D 10 to 15 centimeter. The correct answer is that is option D, 10 to 15 centimeter. Width of bandage for leg bandaging should be 10 to 15 centimeter. For leg bandaging, a wider bandage is used to provide adequate support and coverage from the larger space area of the legs. That's why D is correct answer. We are use 10 to 15 centimeter bandage. Next question. What do you mean by the passive exercise means? I repeat my question. What do you mean by passive exercise means? There are four options. A, physical activity performed by the patient without assistance. B, the activity performed by another person and the patient makes no voluntary efforts. C, the physical activity carried out on the floor. D, when the patient perform activity without taking breakfast. The correct answer is that is option B. Passive exercise means the activity performed by another person and the patient makes no voluntary effort. Passive exercise involves movement of a joint and limbs by another person like a nurse or physiotherapist without any efforts from the patient. It is commonly used when the patient is unable to move due to weakness, paralysis and unconsciousness. That's why B is the correct answer. Next, width of bandage for finger bandaging should be A, 2.5 to 3 centimeter, B 5 to 6 centimeter, C 8 to 9 centimeter, D 10 to 15 centimeter. The correct answer is A. Width of bandage for finger bandaging should be 2.5 to 3 centimeter. For finger bandages, a narrow bandage is appropriate to ensure the proper control. 2.5 to 3 centimeter bandage is ideal for finger bandages. Next question, that is which of the following drug is used to dilate the pupil? That there are four options. A, mydriatics. B, miotics. C, keratolytics. D, scabiecides. The correct answer is that is option A. The drug used to dilate the pupil is mydriatics. Mydriatics are the drugs that dilate the pupils. Miotics constrict the pupil. Keratolytics help to keratolytics help in shredding the outer layer of the skin. Scabiecides are used to treat scabies. So for pupil dilations, mydriatics are the appropriate class of drugs. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget like, share and subscribe for more nursing content. And if you have any questions or want to more practice MCQ, drop them in comments. So see you in the next video.